Hi, and welcome to the tutorial video for AMC Banking mobile app. In this video, I will go through the functionalities of the app. If you want to see how to set up the app, you can watch the tutorial video called AMC Banking Mobile Setup. To get to the home screen, simply click on the home icon in the bottom left corner. Here we can see the total number of payment journals of a specific status. From the top, we can see the chart area, the active status, the bank account currency, the name of the bank, the journal number, the total amount of journals, and in the bottom we can see the total number of payment journals. By default, the page will only show 25 elements when the status is pulled. To show more data, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can either see the general information regarding a particular payment journal or open up a single payment journal by clicking the label. In the single payment journal, you can see the total number of payment lines as well as the payment lines associated with a payment journal you have chosen. From the top, we can see the journal number, the journal status, bank account currency, journal total amount, number of payment lines, bank name, sorting options, payment line data, receiver name, payment type, payment line amount and currency. If we open the invoice lines, we can see the document reference, the invoice amount and currency. I will now show how to approve and decline payment journals. You can only approve or decline a payment journal if it has the status of pre, first, or second approver. If we open up a journal, we can see that we either had the choice to approve or decline. When you press approve, you have the choice to review the payment journal before proceeding. You then need to enter your password. After typing in your password, the journal is now approved. To decline a payment journal, you simply click decline and then decline payment journal. The journal is now declined.